Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do another painting here today. I'm going to start off by using my Zebra Delgard 0.5 mechanical pencil to draw, just to give a basic outline of the image that I'm going to be painting. And I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be using just two colors, black and white, to create this picture, to recreate this picture that I found online that I really liked. It's a gloomy, overcast day today here in New Jersey, and I was trying to find an image to paint, and all the colorful ones just wasn't doing it for me today. I was in the mood to paint something a little gloomy, and so this is what I found. Hopefully you like it. And I'm also only using two brushes for this painting, so it's two paints, two brushes. I'm going to be using the number 12 Artist Loft watercolor brush and the number 6 Artist Loft watercolor brush. And I'm using the Kuretake watercolors, black and white. Hope everybody is hanging in there, doing well, still practicing their social distancing and, staying inside. So far, we are holding up okay. So, yeah, I can't complain too much. I mean, it's not the easiest dealing with all this, but this really isn't that much different than how we usually live. I mean, as far as us here, we work from home, and we really don't go out. We do most of our shopping online, as it is, but it is not being able to go out to the parks and stuff like that, or to the library. You do miss those kind of things, but you know, we'll get it back eventually. So here I'm going in. I made a little wash of like a grayish, with just mixing some of the black with the white, just to give the illusion of this picture. Uh, it's very foggy. I don't know if it's London or where it is, but it's a very foggy, old turn of the century image where the light is coming from the back to the front, and so everything up in front is pretty much shrouded in darkness, and the picture gets hazier as it gets further off into the distance. So now I'm just painting in almost full black the building that is closest to the front. It does have some mild light textures to it, so I'm just adding in a little bit of gray and some lighter black here on the building. In the picture, it's an image of what looks like to be a man and a woman standing on the curb, talking to each other. It almost looks like the woman is handing the guy like a pamphlet or a piece of paper or something like that. But they're totally in silhouette. There's no distinguishing features to them at all. So I'm just doing them both in straight black. So here I'm going to go in with the man first. And this I'm using the number 6 watercolor brush. I'm really trying to keep the black paint as deep black as possible to get these really dark images represented well. I did have a problem with this little gas lamp. I'm not going to lie. It just didn't turn out as much as, or as, as well as I thought it, or as I wanted it to. But I tried my best, and um, I think it was the light from the outside from the window. It was distorting that far up on the page, and it gave me a little bit of a problem. But what are you going to do? Here I'm going in, painting the image of the woman. I assume it's a woman. She's, it's a smaller figure, and to me, the type of hat that she's wearing, it looks more like it's a woman's hat. But I mean, it could be a small man. Here I'm going in with the number 6 and just getting some shading in on the sidewalk. In the original, there was another person standing on the right in back of the between the two on the other sidewalk, but you'll see it in the source photo when I show it at the end. But I didn't want to add them because that individual, because I thought it would have taken away from the male character. I don't think I would have been able to represent both characters without them bleeding into each other. So I just left it as these two characters, the focal point of the image. The buildings on the other side of the street, they're kind of shrouded in fog and mist, so I'm just giving them a light touch with the gray to sort of give that image that they're sort of fog enshrouded. And here I'm just adding a little bit of texture to the sidewalk. The image, uh, you don't see a lot of texture in the sidewalk, but you can see that it is made from brick and stone, and so I'm just adding a little bit of touches here and there just to break it up a little bit. And the same thing with the road. The road is, I believe it's brick, so just getting a little bit of touches in there so it's not just a flat piece of concrete. I'm just finishing up with some shading here. And yeah, I think that's about it. It was a quick one today. Like I said, it was just two colors. Um, oh, I'm not done yet. He did have a cane. I forgot to put in his walking cane. So there's his cane. But yeah, so it was just two colors, two paint brushes. It was a little different than what I usually do, so I was excited to give it a shot. I liked how it came out. I'm kind of surprised, but especially on the right hand side with the buildings that recede into the fog. I liked how that turned out. Um, so yeah, I enjoyed painting this. I hope you liked watching me paint it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to keep up with all my future videos. So that's it for today. Here is the source image. See, you can see the little guy there standing between the two. He's the guy that I left out. So that's it. Until next time, take care of yourself, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.